Stop paying for Runway, stop paying for Pika. Every AI video generator on the market today is a paywall waiting to happen, except for this one. I found a secret 100% free AI video generator that is so powerful, I'm calling it the No Paywall in 2026 tool. Why 2026? Because they are giving away unlimited credits right now, and you need to jump on this before they realize their mistake. Today, I'm giving you the step-by-step to use Qwen AI, the most powerful free video AI on the planet. Let's get you generating unlimited videos right now. First things first, head over to the official Qwen AI platform. I've put the direct link in the description below so you don't waste time searching. Now, you'll need an account. I love that the sign-up is fast. You can use your Google account, which takes 2 seconds. Notice there is no credit card field. That's our first clue that this is truly unlimited and truly free. Once you're in, you're greeted with a clean, fast interface. Look closely at where the credit counter should be. For now, we are operating in an unlimited environment. This is your personal sandbox, so let's put it to work. To generate a video, it all starts with a great prompt. For this demo, let's try something highly cinematic. I want an action shot. I'm going with a cyberpunk samurai stands on a neon-lit skyscraper, rain falling, dramatic depth of field, 4K, cinematic. Remember to use descriptive photographic language. It's the secret sauce to great AI art. Over here on the side, check your settings. We want an aspect ratio for YouTube longform, so I'm selecting 16:9. Keep the length around 4 seconds for a dynamic clip. Hit that generate button. While it's generating, remember, AI is all about iteration. If your first video isn't perfect, try adjusting the prompt. That's the beauty of unlimited credits. You can run 10 different versions without spending a dime. And boom, look at this quality. The rain effect, the depth of field, the movement of the coat, this is professional grade, and we generated it in seconds. To download your masterpiece, simply click the download icon. It exports in high-quality MP4 format, ready to be dropped straight into your video editor. Now here is the secret to keeping your credits truly unlimited. Qwen AI is constantly updating, so if you want to lock in your free usage, use this tool every single day. The more you use it, the more valuable you become to their platform, and the more likely they are to keep your account on the permanent free tier even when the paywall finally hits in 2026. You now have access to a truly powerful, truly free AI video generator. Stop waiting for other companies to maybe lower their prices and start creating today. If you found this secret AI tool helpful, smash the like button. It helps this video reach more creators who deserve to make videos for free. And subscribe to Vision Academy for more cutting-edge AI secrets. What should I generate next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.